Module 3, Whmis Classification. Hazardous products are classified into two hazard groups. One, physical, based on the physical or chemical properties of the product such as flammability, reactivity, or corrosivity to metals. Two, health, based on their ability to cause health effects such as eye irritation, respiratory sensitization, or carcinogenicity, may cause cancer. Hazard classes. Each hazard group includes hazard classes that have specific hazardous properties. Hazard classes are a way of grouping together products that have similar properties. Physical hazard classes are classified into the following categories. Pause to read and gain a brief understanding of the hazard classes and their associated dangers. Health hazard classes are classified into the following categories. Pause to read and gain a brief understanding of the hazard classes and their associated dangers. Hazard categories. Each hazard class contains at least one category. Hazard categories are assigned a number, for example, 1, 2, and so on. Categories may also be called types. Types are assigned an alphabetical letter, for example, A, B. In a few cases, subcategories are also specified. Subcategories are identified with a number and a letter, for example, 1A, 1B. The category tells you about how hazardous the product is. Category 1 is always the greatest level of hazard. If Category 1 is further divided, Category 1A within the same hazard class is a greater hazard than Category 1B. Some hazard classes have only one category, for example, corrosive to metals. Others may have two categories. There are a few hazard classes with 5 or more categories, for example, organic peroxides. Suppliers must evaluate products that are covered by the Hazardous Products Act against specific criteria. If the product meets any of the criteria for a hazard class, it is known as a hazardous product. All hazardous products must be labeled according to the regulations and must have a corresponding safety data sheet. The hazard class and category will be provided in Section 2 of the SDS. That concludes Module 3. Please proceed to Module 4.